SEO Tools, the best tools for your SEO strategy. Copyright Jordan Ashment 2019, all rights reserved. How do I build my SEO strategy? So you have an idea of what search engine optimization is. You want to create a strategy to optimize your SEO and get traffic to your website. But how do you do that? In the following slides, we'll talk about some of the tools that you can use to guide your SEO and track your progress. Google Analytics. You've created your website, but you don't think that anyone is actually visiting it. How can you tell for sure? The first SEO tool that we'll talk about is called Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a tool that allows you to see tons of information about your website and who is visiting. It can also tell you from where people are being referred, bounce rate, from what countries people are visiting, etc. There is so much info available to you in Google Analytics. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is very similar to Google Analytics, but it gives you some different information and allows you to see and correct errors. Google Search Console is a tool that allows you to see a couple of different things, such as links to and within your site, pages that are mobile optimized, security issues, impressions, clicks, average position of your site in search, and other valuable statistics. Ubersuggest. Neil Patel has made a fantastic tool to help your keywords and keyword phrases with Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is not an analytics tracker for your website. It is actually a tool that will help you to choose the right wording and have good keyword phrases. Keywords and keyword phrases are words that search engines like Google use to match search queries to the appropriate content for the user. With Ubersuggest, you can type in a few words that may pertain to your website and see what is searched, how many people are searching it, and even how much people are paying to have their content searched with these keywords. If you like this video, make sure to check out the rest of the content on strategiesforseo.weebly.com. Also, if you're interested in web development and design, check out devmainframe.com.